Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Videos are meant for the benefit of society. Today's topic, big crash in markets, how much and what action to take now. Very negative day for global stock markets today. Nifty fell by more than 1.9% today, closed negative for the third consecutive day. It has fallen by almost 3% in the last 3 days. The other global major stock market indices were also equally negative. Global stock markets today, Hong Kong, Hang Seng 0.89% down, Japan Nikkei minus 1.11%, Germany DAX minus 1.63%, France CAC minus 1.33%, UK FTSE up by 0.05%, US Nasdaq yesterday, that is 15 September, minus 1.43%. Locally in India, there is no major negative news. However, globally there are many concerns due to which world stock markets have been weak since last 1 week. Reasons for the stock market weaknesses are: number one, World Bank warns of global recession in 2023. A World Bank report expects a global recession where the overall GDP of all countries will be negative. Many individual countries are also slowly slipping into recession because major economies such as US, UK have significantly slowed down. Number two, rising interest rates not controlling inflation. In spite of continuous interest rate hikes in US, India and many other countries, the inflation has not fallen much and continues to be high. The global economy is stagnating and the inflation continues to be high. This is called stagflation. It will have a negative impact on the individuals and companies. Number three, downward revision of India's GDP estimates. Most global and domestic rating agencies have downward revised India's GDP growth in 2021-22 from around 8 to 8.5% to around 6.5 to 7%. The lower growth in India will be mainly because of the slowdown in the global economy. If you want to make money from stock markets, whether the indices are going high or low, you must know fundamental analysis and technical analysis. We, Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute, have been conducting stock market workshops from A to Z from the last 23 years, and it is high time that you should plan to join this wonderful workshop. Many people ask us what are the details, and in order to provide all the details, we have organized an introductory webinar on 18th September Sunday from 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. And to get the link for this online webinar, kindly send an email to successdigest@gmail.com with your name, mobile number, and the subject has to be Kannada webinar. Once you attend the webinar, you find it worthwhile joining or paying the money, then you can take the decision. Now, coming to the matter of the video, the most crucial event which is coming up is the US Federal Reserve meeting on September 20 and 21. All investors will be eagerly waiting to see what announcement will be made by Federal Reserve Governor. Similarly, the next RBI meeting regarding interest rates will be between September 28 to 30. So the announcement in the next 2 weeks are very important for Indian and global stock markets. But all these factors have an impact on the short-term movement of stocks few weeks to few months. The overall trend of stock market will always be up in the long term of a vision of 5 years or more. So, if you hold fundamentally strong stocks or hold good mutual funds, then you must continue to invest and if possible, make use of the market fall to invest more money. However, holding weak stocks without knowing how to do fundamental analysis may result in losses even in the long term. For short term, you need to follow technical analysis indications. Most of the stocks may be in sell zone or don't buy zone right now. We track around 190 stocks every day for short-term indications. Now, the next question is, will there be further correction? There is a chance that there could be further weakness since Nifty could not hold 18,000 level, fell very easily. The direction of the global markets will be heavily dependent on next week's US Federal Reserve meeting. A set of analysts and experts were predicting since the beginning of 2022 that Nifty will not cross all-time high of 18,600 in 2022. Another set of analysts are predicting that Nifty will touch the 20,000 mark before the end of 2022. Nobody can accurately predict short-term movements. That is why we don't try to predict the specific levels. In fact, for making money in long term and short term, there is no need to predict the market. We just need to know what action to take based on market movement. If you are not the member of Stock Market Academy channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send this video to all your friends. Video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.